How to make a group chat on Discord. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you make a group chat on Discord. So if you are willing to make a group chat on your Discord, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, firstly you'll have to open Discord app on your device. So simply you have to open. Alright, so after you open the Discord with your account, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on this plus icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this message plus icon. Alright, so now from here, you will have to go with the option new group. So it will appear on the first one. So simply tap on this. So now from here, you'll have to select your friends to that group whom you are creating. So simply you can select and add up to 9 friends. So after selecting your friends on it, you'll have to just tap on this create option just at the top right corner of the screen. Alright, so like this way you can also create a group chat on Discord. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.